Are your poor bedtime habits making you wake up tired or turning you into an insomniac? These 7 daily habits can transform your bedtime for the better. The blue light from our phones, laptops, iPads, and TV screens disrupts our natural sleep cycle. It tricks our brain into thinking it is daytime, which makes it secrete awake hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These keep us awake and alert, so it's difficult for us to fall asleep at night. Solve this by using a blue light filter for all your devices after sunset. F-Lux is good for your laptops, and Twilight or darker work on phones. But many phones come with an inbuilt night mode, which you can actually set on a timer to switch on automatically every evening. This will ensure you float into dreamland with ease. An age-old remedy, turmeric milk or haldi doodh, is great for a good night's rest. It's super easy to make and always does the trick. Start with some milk. Milk contains sleep-inducing amino acids as well as melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep cycle. We've added some almond paste to ours, which is highly nutritious, a couple of cardamom pods, some honey, and finally the turmeric, which is also known to be relaxing and promotes better sleep. We'll also add some pepper, which helps the turmeric get absorbed better. The perfect concoction for a restful snooze. Select and prep your clothes for the next day before bed. Laying out your clothes will not only save you time in the morning, it'll allow you to make your outfit choices thoughtfully while you're fully awake, as opposed to in the morning, when you're half asleep. Also, you won't need to worry about what to wear while you're in bed waiting for the sleep fairy. Reading a book before bed is a fantastic habit. It relaxes your mind, reduces stress, and keeps you away from your screens. It doesn't matter what you read as long as it's interesting to you. Reading is known to boost your brain power, empathy, and make you more creative. To quote Dr. Seuss, you can find magic wherever you look. Sit back and relax. All you need is a book. A warm shower before bedtime has been proven to help you sleep quicker and better. The warmth of the water causes your body to cool down and is especially relaxing for your hands and feet. Studies have shown that a lower body temperature makes it easier to doze off and leads to better sleep. So hop in the shower and wash away the stresses of the day. Maintaining a daily journal helps you gather your thoughts and organize your mind, potentially preventing you from staying up staring at the ceiling with a million worries in your head. You don't need to write pages on pages. Even one sentence is enough to help you reflect on your experiences and can sharpen your memory. Plus, future you will thank you for the treasure trove of memories. If you want to be aware of how much and how well you're sleeping, then there are a slew of smart sleep tracking programs available. You can track your sleep on an app or even a smartwatch. In the long run, this can help you detect when life changes like getting a new job, changing your exercise routine, or starting medication are altering your sleep cycle. So, if you're someone who loses sleep over sleep, then this habit is a no-brainer. Hope these simple habits help you turn bedtime into a peaceful affair and get you energized for a new day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.